Hello everyone, how are you doing? I'm Julia and today I'm here to talk to everyone about this new product called Foliprime. So if you really want to know more about Foliprime and its benefits, I will tell you everything, all the relevant details and some very important warnings about it. So I suggest you pay close attention and watch this video until the end. And to help you, let's go to the important points that you need to know. First of all, I want to say that I got access to the official website of the manufacturer and I will leave it down below in the description of this video. Guys, many people are asking online, what is Foliprime, how does it work, and if it is really good, if it is really worth it. So the answer is yes. Foliprime is the top one natural supplement treatment on the market today. It is a powerful oil that will support the health of your hair and scalp in a new and an easy way. The best thing is that it is 100% natural, it has no contraindications, the benefits are real, its ingredients are sourced from local growers that let plants naturally reach their full maturity and use no chemical treatments. Still, it is pure, processed under strict sterilized standards with regularly disinfected equipment. You know, it comes with a lot of benefits, so you can finally reclaim your freedom, support your healthy hair with natural ingredients, and finally feel better with yourself. Foliprime have an easy yet powerful formula, which consists of amazing oils and plants such as lemon peel, castor oil, biotin, hyaluronic acid, cayenne pepper, turmeric, zinc oxide, argan oil, olive oil, almond oil. So you don't have to worry, it is completely natural, which means it has no side effects and is also without contraindications. It is completely safe for you to take and every bottle is FDA approved and GMP certified facility under sterilized, strict and precise standards. The Foliprime dropper is natural and pure. You can rest assured that they do not contain any dangerous stimulants or toxins. So, okay guys. It really works and you can trust this product, but you must only buy it through the official website of the manufacturer that I left in the first link in the description. You can actually read people's comments on the manufacturer's website. There are people going there and writing about their success stories with it. So you also must remember that Foliprime is a natural product, so of course your body will not give you instant results. There are no magic products, guys, so keep that in mind. But once you start doing the treatment, I recommend that you start right and do the treatment recommended by the manufacturers. The recommended is at least 3 to 6 months of treatment for the best result. So you need to use it every day. Don't forget that it's very important that you don't skip days, because your body will need some time to start adapting to it, to start absorbing everything. So I also recommend a kit with 3 to 6 bottles of the product because you have a big discount and every order comes with free shipping no matter where you live in the US. Another nice thing about Foliprime is that if you're not happy with the benefits, they will issue a full refund. Just contact them in the first 60 days from your purchase. Even if you use up the entire bottle or not, they will still give you all your money back. Then you have nothing to lose. But I hope you are really successful just like thousands of customers and don't need a refund, because you will see great results as quickly as possible. So if you're looking for one simple way to maintain the health of your hair and scalp, I really encourage you to give Foliprime a chance, because it is actually the top one product on the market today. Don't forget that the link is right below this video. Thanks everyone for watching and I hope you all have an amazing day.